In the semiconductor and power industries, ultrapure or demineralized water is vital and is produced by investing considerable effort. To achieve the high level of purity required, demineralizers play a crucial role by removing inorganic salts from the water to ensure optimal quality and to protect equipment and products. Demineralizer systems use separate cation and anion resin beds or mixed beds to remove contaminants via ion exchange. Strong acid-cation resins contain highly mobile hydrogen ions which exchange with the cations in the salts. The cations remain on the resin and the salt converts to its corresponding acid. Strong base resins contain mobile hydroxide ions which exchange with the anions in these same salts, converting them to their corresponding hydroxide. In the semiconductor industry, demineralized water helps prevent contamination that would result in lower yields, higher product defects, and more downtime. In the power industry, demineralized water helps reduce the risk of equipment failure caused by scaling or corrosion that would lead to reduced efficiency, higher energy, fuel costs, and lower output. To ensure only pure water reaches critical components, facilities must monitor the health of demineralizers with a focus on the silica level, as it is one of the first analytes released as resin approaches exhaustion. Continuous online monitoring of silica is a very effective tool for monitoring the health of demineralizers and troubleshooting systems experiencing short runs or high leakage. METTLER Toledo offers high-quality analyzers like the 2850 SI Silica Analyzer to help monitor the health of your demineralizers and water treatment system. Visit www.mt.com/2850SI to learn more and get assistance in monitoring your water treatment process.